I'd love to see my moko have that connectedness back to Taranaki, even though they live away. They're actually embracing Māoritanga as well, so that's really, really positive. But I'd just love them to come home, be Taranaki.
I'd like my tamariki and my mokopuna to be very secure in their identity, to be good people, but also to be solid people. Bit of mongrel, nothing wrong with a bit of mongrel and ruthlessness, but at the same time being able to be emotionally, spiritually settled. And I'd love for our mokopuna in about 2065, 200 years since the muru and raupatu, to be able to say, yeah, that was a crap 200 years, but our tupuna survived for us. They refused to give in. Ka weta kina atu ngā here o taua muru me te raupatu, ka wātea rātou ki te tiro whakamua.